Hello friends and welcome to this video again. I will show you how to add Emirates ID to Apple Wallet. So guys, all you have to do, download your AEICP app on App Store guys. Then go to card section from there on the screen guys, as you can see here, this option card. After that guys, click on it, make sure this card is available on your documents. So guys, after that you find this option guys, click on the card here and select your card, then click add option, add to Apple Wallet guys, as you can see here, and then you will see this card as added. Then make sure guys your ID will not expired or something like this, and then you will connect your with Apple Wallet. So guys, this is how you can do, and you can use a QR code option guys to scan ID. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like, give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys, make sure down below in the comment and I will answer your question as soon as possible. So guys, simple step, card from card check, I click ID Apple Wallet.